Hi! Welcome to 6-Minute Math. Para sa video na to, pag-aaralan natin kumuha ng quotient ng function or pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-divide ng functions. So, find the quotient of f of a is equal to 8a raised to 5 and g of a is equal to 2a cubed. So, 2a cubed lang siya. So, ang tatandaan nyo lang, in getting the quotient, ang function notation natin ay f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. And then, isa pa sa dapat yung tandaan kapag nagdi-divide tayo ng function and also kapag nagsisimplify tayo ng function is yung law of exponent na a raised to m over a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So, ginagamit natin to kapag nagdi-divide tayo ng expressions with the same variable. So, ang ginagawa natin sa exponent nila is sinusubtract. So, try natin sagutan yung example number 1. So, we have f over g of a is equal to f of a over g of a. So, what we need to do here is to substitute the value of f of a and then g of a. Our function now will become f over g of a is equal to 8a raised to 5, the value of f of a, divided by 2a cubed, the value of g of a. So, kapag dinivide natin sila, divide muna natin yung numerical coefficient, which is 8 and 2. So, 8 divided by 2, we have 4. So, magiging itsura ng ating function now is f over g of a is equal to 4. And then, yung nasa loob pa rin ng parenthesis, we have the variable a with the exponent 5 or the expression a raised to 5 over a raised to 3. So, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina with the law of exponent, ang ginagawa natin sa exponent is sinusubtract natin sila. So, magiging f over g of a is equal to 4 times the quantity a raised to 5 minus 3. So, sinubtract lang natin yung exponent na 5 and 3. The answer now will become f of a is equal to 4a squared. Again, saan nanggaling si 4? Si 4 nanggaling siya kay 8 divided by 2. The answer is 4. And then, a raised to 5 over a raised to 3. Subtract natin yung exponent 5 minus 3. We have 2. Our final answer now is 4a squared. Next, we have example number 2. Find g over f of x if g of x is equal to 15x cubed minus 21x squared plus 18x minus 3 and f of x is equal to 3x. So, rewrite na natin yung function notation natin. The function notation on this item is g over f of x is equal to g of x over f of x. And then we substitute g of x and then the value of f of x. The function now will become g over f of x is equal to the numerator, yung g of x natin, 15x cubed minus 21x squared plus 18x minus 3. And then the denominator, 3x. So, ganito ang gagawin natin is isa-isa natin isi-simplify bawat term. So, isa-isa tayo magde-divide. Okay? So, divide natin 15x cubed divided by 3x, 21x squared divided by 3x, 18x divided by 3x, and then negative 3 divided by 3x. Okay? So, magiging function na natin is g over f of x is equal to 15x cubed divided by 3x, the answer is positive 5. And then yung exponent, subtract natin, x cubed divided by x is x squared. Next, negative 21x squared divided by 3x, the answer is negative 7x. And then 18x divided by 3x, the answer is positive 6. And then next, we have negative 3 over 3x. The answer is negative 1 over x. So, again, dinidivide natin to bawat term ha. Yung dulo, yung last term natin kaya siya naging 1 over x kasi pag dinivide natin to, magiging negative 3 over 3x. And then negative 3 divided by positive 3, matitira na lang dito sa numerator is negative 1. And then the denominator is still x. So, the final answer now is 5x squared minus 7x plus 6 minus 1 over x. Next, find the quotient of f of a is equal to x minus 4 and g of a is equal to x squared minus 16. Again, our function notation is f over g of a is equal to f of a over g of a. And then we substitute the values of f of a and g of a. We now have f over g of a is equal to yung f of a natin which is x minus 4 and then the denominator g of a, x squared minus 16. So ito, si x squared minus 16, pwede pa natin siyang ma-factor. So, ang tatandaan nyo, kapag pwede tayong mag-factor, pwede natin i-factor si numerator or pwede natin i-factor si denominator, i-factor muna natin siya. So, numerator, copy natin x minus 4 and then the denominator, from x squared minus 16, magiging x minus 4 times x plus 4. And then for this one, pwede natin makancel si x minus 4 and then x minus 4. Our numerator now will become 1, and then the denominator is x plus 4. So, the final answer for this item is f over g of a is equal to 1 over x plus 4.